You need to take your. I'm finna just pull over right here. I see a lamb truck. I like pulling over places I see other foreigns. You feel me? Even though this ain't no foreign, but y'all get what I'm saying. Y'all get what I'm saying, folks. I be forgetting my shit on the left side on this bit. Yeah, and I see other nice cars, I feel comfortable. Nah, hell no. How the hell you just go? Oh no, it's a range over there. I got my shit on me. I ain't tweaking. Damn, crazy. Squad. Remy, boy.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
I'm good. Can I just get a fill up?
Fill it up?
Yeah.
Oh, sure. What kind?
The highest one, 91.
The top one?
Yes, sir.
Open the gas cap for me.
You can just push it.
Push it.
Yep. Wait, I'm sorry. Okay, it should be open now.
There you go. You got it, man. Perfect.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. You want me to clean your windows?
No, it's okay.
That's okay?
Thank you.
All right.
Alright, y'all, we in the Vetski. We at the full service. What you call it? We getting a fill up right now. We finna see how much it costs on 91 with the gas. What? Look at that shit. That shit on premium. That shit $7.44. You feel me? We finna see how much that shit costs to fill up the C8, man. Out here booling and cooling. You know what I'm saying? Riding through Beverly Hills and shit. Feel me? That's just what it is. I'm gonna try to see if I can cash out bro too. See if he got a cash app. I don't got no cash on me. I need to start having a little cash on me and shit. We at $80. And we ain't even at, I think we a little past halfway. This shit crazy. $93, we still at 93. This shit's $7.44. I don't think I ever, what you call it, to be honest. Oh, damn, he got the, what the hell that is? A Burberry? That's some country ass shit right there. That is some country ass shit right there, folks. $107. Oh, filled up at 109. 109, y'all. 109.34. 7. Oh. Yes, sir. Do you have you got Cash App?
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Oh, you have a...
Thank you.
Oh, you put it on the phone you're talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, no. We don't have no, we don't know that thing.
Oh, okay.
Hardly I can use the phone for calling.
Thank you. Have a good day. I was trying to tip him if he had Cash App. I ain't had no paper on him. I would have tipped my boy. I don't like what you calling it, man. I don't like just doing that for people. I know they get paid and shit, but you know what I'm saying. I don't even think that was a fill up though, y'all. That wasn't even a fill up. Or it might be just be lagging, cause it say it's full. It say it's full, but it might just be lagging. I don't know. Yeah, y'all, that shit was just crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I pulled over, cause I had seen it said full service. So I'm like, yeah, they pump your gas in them motherfucker. I ain't gotta get out the car. I think it'd be better if I went. No, I'm just gonna go this way. Got it. Yeah, there we go. I don't give a fuck. I ain't scratching my shit for nobody. I ain't scratching my shit for nobody. I don't give a fuck how long it's gonna take you, boy. Your ass finna wait. Fuck is you talking about? Roll the windows down. That shit was clutch though. I ain't gonna lie. I forgot they even did that shit in fucking California, bro. I know they do that shit in New York. I know in like New York, I think you can't pump your own gas type shit. Or something like that, I think I heard. But yeah, I really can't tell y'all if it's full or not. Cause it's, I don't know, I feel like I've seen it say 200 miles before. But it say it's full, like the thing, this red thing all the way over there. It might just be like, it should be doing that shit in my Benz too, like sometimes it be tweaking. I don't know. I know I got 15 minutes to my meeting, but we just like 5 minutes down the street though, and this shit is literally over here. Can you go, bro? What you driving like a bitch for, bro? Oh my, come on, grandma. Gotta be a grandma in there. Got the handicap sticker on the back. Come on, grandma. Please turn, grandma. Please turn, grandma. I need you to turn right now, grandma. I low-key got to turn too, though. That's the crazy part. Go this way. I ain't gonna lie, I love this fucking car though, bro. I really love this car. I feel like, I don't know if that shit is full or not. I mean, it shit stopped at 110, so I guess, I don't know. It would make sense. It probably just 180 miles because I got it on Z mode or something. Or maybe it went, I don't fucking know. But hey man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I'm finna go ahead and kind of like get mentally prepared for this meeting, man. I just want to tell everybody, man, make sure y'all chase y'all dreams, bro. Woohoo! Because I promise I chase mines, man. And everything I'm doing right now, I used to talk about, man. I used to think about it. I used to dream about it. I used to daydream about it. I used to go to sleep thinking about it. Wake up thinking about it. I used to watch everybody else do it and imagine myself doing it, and I'm doing it, bro. I got a meeting in Beverly Hills today. I'm going to pull up in a Corvette C8 brand new that I got off the lot, you know what I'm saying? With a $20,000 watch on, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, man, that shit just crazy, bro. I live across the street from, come on, bro. Like, this shit crazy, bro. So y'all chase y'all dreams, bro, at all times. Don't believe what nobody else say. Believe in yourself, bro, before anything else. And it's just like that, you feel me? You can do the same shit I'm doing, bro. I promise y'all. That's why I do this shit. Show y'all, man. I'm just a human, bro. We all pieces of meat, you feel me? It's a glob of meat, bro. Like, same shit you could do, I do. I gotta piss, I gotta shit, my stomach hurt, I get sick too, I get irritated, I get sad, mad, happy. You feel me? Everything y'all go through, I go through, bro. You feel me? Or I went through. And I'm living a different life now, bro. So y'all can do the same thing. I promise y'all, I'm from a grade. Y'all need to be easy. I love y'all. Squat.